Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by calibrating what matters. Pick 3 to 5 weekly priorities and commit to them. Once done, schedule a 15 to 30-minute planning slot at the start of each week and protect it like an appointment. Then, track what you actually do for 48 to 72 hours to get real data. This measurement shows why misestimates happen and where to cut or delegate, so you can replace guesswork with decisions. Now you build structure around priorities. Create 90 to 120-minute deep work blocks and insert 10 to 15-minute breaks to reset focus. Once you establish blocks, batch similar tasks together and use the 2-minute rule to clear quick items immediately. Make timers visible and review progress each day for 5 minutes. This keeps momentum and reveals when a block needs adjusting. By doing this, you turn effort into predictable output rather than scattered busyness. To finish, close each day with a focused 10-minute ritual. Update your plan, capture ideas, and set the top 3 tasks for tomorrow so you start with clarity. Once a week, perform a review to reflect, reassign work, and rebalance time allocations based on reality. If the system breaks down, diagnose one bottleneck at a time, task choice, interruptions, or overcommit, and apply a single countermeasure. Make sure to iterate weekly so improvements compound over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.